Hello, I'm going to be showing you how to center a knife blade on a folding pocket knife. This is the Kizer for weed, and I will be using a frame lock to show you this trick. First of all, you want to take the pivot all the way out, which I'm not going to do for the video, but I want you to take the pivot all the way out and get some blue Loctite and put a little dab of that blue Loctite on there and put the pivot back in. You want the pivot quite loose to do this. And if you look now, that blade is way over to the right. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a piece of paper, about a 5" by 5" piece of paper, fold it up, stick it in between the blade and the frame, and you're going to want to push it the way that you're trying to get the knife to go. So if you're off center to this way, you want to push it that way. You want to push it left, right? So we're going to go on the right side of the blade, and we're just going to slightly push it in so it's nice and snug. We don't want to ream it in or anything like that. Then we are going to tighten this quite well, nice and taut. You don't want to ream that either. You want to be able to loosen that up later. Now you're just going to simply take the paper out, take a look. It's pretty center, but it's going to be too tight, right? Yeah, see? The action's not there. So what you're going to do is, and this is where the Loctite comes in that you put on from the beginning, you're going to back it off. Actually, you can watch it while that does it. You can move this blade left to right with the pivot when it's like this, see? Left, right. You want to just tighten it right there in the middle, and then you're going to let it sit. Test it one time. Drop steady action, and then you're going to let that knife sit for 24 hours until that Loctite tightens, and then boom, you got a nice centered blade that is Loctited, and it will take quite a while before that Loctite does loosen up, but it will loosen up eventually. But we want that so we can maintenance our knives, right? Thank you for watching.